Hello, I'm Vanessa Vidurugnan, a second-year BSIT student, and I'm here today to share what I've learned in networking. So, what am I going to share or discuss first is the definition of computer networking. So, what is computer networking? Computer networking is a connecting computers electronically for the purpose of sharing information. And the common information shared in networking are the resources such as files, printers, application, and software. And what could be the advantage of networking? The advantage of networking could be on the collaboration between users in a wide range. So that's all for computer networking. How about the computer network? What is the definition of computer network? So, computer network is a group of computers connected with each other through wires, optic fibers, or optical links so that various devices can interact with each other through a network. And there are six common computer networks. These are NIC or National Interface Card, hub, switch host, modem, router, and cables and connectors. So first is the NIC. NIC is a device that helps the computer to communicate with another device. And there are two types of NIC. The first one is the wireless NIC and the second one is the wired NIC. Example of wireless NIC is our modern laptops. And the example of a wired NIC is cables. So the next component of computer network is hub. So this is an example of hub. Hub is a central device that splits the network connection into multiple devices. To identify if it is a hub, you can base on the number of ports. A hub has 4 to 12 ports. Another components of computer network is switch or switches. This is a networking device that groups all the devices over network to transfer the data to another device. This is an example of switch. This is better than hub because it has a 24 to 48 ports. Another components is the cables and connectors. This is a transmission media that transmit the communication signal, and there are three types of it. These are the twisted pair, coaxial, and fiber optic cable. Next components is the router. A router is a device that connects the LAN to the internet. And the last components is the modem. So modem connects the computer to the internet over the existing telephone line. This is an example of modem. Why it is a modem? Because it has its own internet connection. Another lesson that I've learned in networking is on the history of TCP or IP and the internet. So first, what is TCP or IP? So TCP or IP is the most popular network protocol in the world. This was developed in 1972 by two DARPA scientists named Vince Cerf and Bob Kahn. They are most often called the father of internet. And this TCP or IP has a 4-layer. These are the application layer or OSI layer 7, transport layer or OSI layer 4, network layer or OSI layer 3, and the link layer or OSI layer 1 plus 2. So next is the internet. The predecessor of this internet was ARPANET, created by the Advanced Research Projects Agency or the ARPA, and launched in 1969 during Cold War. Another lesson that I've learned are the most common network LAN media. The shielded twisted pair or the STP and the unshielded twisted pair or UTP. I also learned on how to terminate cables, the straight-through cable and the crossover cable. So that's what I've learned in networking. Again, Vanessa Vidurugnan, a BSIT second year student. Thank you for watching.